Hey guys, it's wash day for me, so I decided to show you guys my summer curly hair wash day routine. I tried to make this video as short as possible, so hopefully it won't be too long. So the first thing that we're going to do is wet our hair. I'm going to start off by using Shea Moisture Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Clarifying Shampoo. I am a huge fan of this shampoo. It really does give me the feeling that it is doing its job as clarifying and cleaning my hair. It smells amazing and it's lightweight. I mean, you really can't say anything bad about Shea Moisture products. They're just all amazing. I like to spend about 2 or 3 minutes clarifying my hair, and then I'll wash it out with lukewarm water. Next, I'm going to use the Eden Body Works Jojoba Monoi Natural Deep Conditioner. This is a conditioner that really did catch me off guard when I first tried it. I didn't think that I was really going to like it, but I absolutely love it. This product is thick, you can detangle with it, a little bit goes a long way, and it really does help tame my hair. The only thing I wish they would improve on is the actual smell of the conditioner. Other than that, this product is wonderful. I'm going to let this deep conditioner sit in my hair for about 15 minutes. Oh yeah, you know, just some activities to do while we're waiting. Alright, now that your 15 minutes is up, go ahead and wash out the Eden Body Works Natural Deep Conditioner. Up next is the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. So in the summer months, I add this deep treatment mask right after my deep conditioner because, you know, let's face it, I dye my hair, I'm in the sun all day long, I'm at the beach, I'm in the beach water. My hair definitely needs this on a weekly basis. When you have finished putting the mask on your hair, you're just going to clip your hair up. You're going to put your shower cap on and you're going to let the mask stay on your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is what happens when your 10 minutes goes by way too slow. Now it's time to wash out your Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. The last product that I'm going to use is the Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In and Detangler. This is my holy grail. I leave this conditioner in, and it is actually a part of my styling regimen. To dry my hair, I use an old cotton t-shirt. I wouldn't recommend using a towel because in my experience, towels make your hair really frizzy. And then that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short summer wash day routine for curly hair. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.